What if I told you there are 5 powerful tricks that can completely change your financial trajectory? So, you want to become a millionaire in just 1 year? You've probably heard it's impossible. But what if I told you there are 5 powerful tricks that can completely change your financial trajectory? Forget everything you've heard about slow and steady. Today, we're talking about an accelerated path to wealth. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic roadmap. Stick around because these 5 tricks will show you how to go from zero to a 6-figure income and beyond in just 12 months. Let's get started. Tip 1. Find a high-income skill host. The first trick is to find a high-income skill. Forget about getting rich with a low-paying job. Your goal is to find a skill that people are willing to pay a premium for. This could be anything from digital marketing, video editing, and social media management to coding or copywriting. Identify a skill you're passionate about and dedicate yourself to becoming an expert. Don't just be good, be so good that people can't ignore you. In the first 3 months, your only mission is to learn and practice this skill every single day. Take online courses, watch tutorials, and offer to do work for free to build your portfolio. Tip 2. Start a business or freelancing. Once you have that skill, the next trick is to start a business or freelancing. This is where you move from earning a wage to creating your own income. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to find your first few clients. Charge what you're worth, not what you think people will pay. As you get more experience and testimonials, increase your rates. Your goal is to build a reputation that allows you to charge more for your services. Remember, every project you complete is not just a payday. It's a stepping stone to your next big client. Tip 3. Be unbelievably consistent. This brings us to the third and most important trick. Be unbelievably consistent. Many people start with a lot of motivation but lose momentum after a few months. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to show up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is the secret sauce. Without it, you're just another person with a great idea. Tip 4. Master your session. The fourth trick is to master your session. This means being intentional with your time. When you decide to work, eliminate all distractions. Put your phone on silent, close unnecessary tabs, and focus on one task at a time. A focused 2-hour session is more productive than 8 hours of distracted work. Track your progress. Set daily, weekly, and monthly goals. Are you reaching out to new clients every day? Are you spending time learning something new every week? Are you hitting your income targets? Be brutally honest with yourself. This process isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Tip 5. Reinvest your earnings. Finally, the fifth trick is to reinvest your earnings. The fastest way to grow your wealth is to put your money back into your business. Don't spend all your profits on new gadgets or luxuries. Use a portion of your income to invest in better tools, marketing, or to hire help so you can scale your business. This is how you create a snowball effect, where your money starts working for you, multiplying your income faster than you could on your own. So there you have it. Going from $0 to $100,000 in a year isn't about a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a combination of acquiring a valuable skill, monetizing it effectively, being unbelievably consistent, mastering your work sessions, and reinvesting your earnings. Start today, don't wait for tomorrow. Your future self will thank you.